Hey everyone! Ever wondered what the Holy Quran is all about? Well, let me give you a quick rundown. The Quran is the central religious text of Islam, believed by Muslims to be a revelation from God. It's like a guidebook for life, filled with stories, teachings, and laws. It's divided into 114 chapters, called surahs, each with verses, or ayahs. It covers everything from creation and history to beliefs and practices. The Quran is written in beautiful Arabic, and its teachings are meant to be understood and followed by all Muslims. It's a source of wisdom, comfort, and inspiration for millions around the world. So, if you're curious about Islam or want to learn more about the Holy Quran, check it out. You might be surprised by what you find.